What is going on, guys? Brazzy here, back with another video. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day as always. Right now I am on my way to a secretive location. I'm gonna meet up with, hold up. All right, you guys, sorry about that. The light turned green and I don't like driving and recording unless I am holding the camera out because I get scared, bro. I don't want to risk it. But yeah, like I was saying, I'm gonna meet up here with my boy Zane, aka OC Rolls, and Chris. Chris just got his SVJ back today because the ECU got fried. Feel bad for him, bro. He's been dropping hella money on that thing. I think he's only had like 2 weeks to like fully like actually drive it, and he's owned it for like 3 months, and the majority of the time has been spent in the shop. That sucks. But yeah, I'm here waiting at this spot. My ETA was 40 minutes to get here, and I got here like in 25. I was not speeding, but there was no traffic, I guess. Stopped at this gas station though real quick. Gonna go inside, grab a snack and something to drink, either a water or an energy drink. I don't know, but yeah. All right, guys, just finished getting the essentials. Parked my car right there. I just saw OC Rose. He came this way, saw the in and out drive-through line, and went right back around. So I'm gonna go look for him right now. Look at this view from here though. Looks like something straight out of a movie. Damn. Let's go. All right, guys, I'm here with my boy OC Rose. Bro, he has a whole crazy setup going on in the front. Look at this.
Check it out, bro.
Look, check this out. JB Weld for the win. Look at this. Oh my god. He normally has it in the back. He still has it over here to look. See? Normally sets it up right there. But today to record the SVJ. Wait, I haven't even. Oh no, I did say. Gonna use this. What did you say is gonna happen? Either the mic or what?
Either the mic is gonna melt because I'm gonna put one in the engine bay.
Right in the engine bay?
Yeah.
No, you're asking for it, bro.
I know. So.
That's sketchy. Hold on. We'll see how it goes. We were just chatting and just chatting. That's him.
It's him.
Oh my god. The man, the myth, the legend finally showed up. Damn, just got it back today. Look at his whole camera setup on top, bro. He has 2 cameras up there. 2 on top, 1 on the inside. I don't know if he has a driving POV. Oh yeah, he does have the driving POV. You can kind of see it. Damn.
We should do me going to him first, right?
Yeah.
Instead of behind me, because it's daylight out. Hey.
Sheesh. Mr. Streamer.
I think we should do...
Damn. About to go get some rolling shots of this thing right now. I don't know. They're gonna try to plant something though. Bro just handed me a headset. We're wearing headsets today. How do you turn it on? Or it's already on?
It should already be on.
Oosh.
I think
Let's see.
I can actually hear you.
Let me get situated for those 2 rolls. Look. Sheesh right here. Damn. We're wearing headsets. Got my car right there. We got Chris over here. We got OC Rolls over there. This is insane, bro.
I forgot my jacket too. I grabbed all my other stuff, but my jacket.
No jacket? You're crazy. It's gonna be cold over there.
And the sun first.
He is Osmo pocket up.
Dude, look at
1,
these shits, bro.
2, 3.
And I grabbed the one that isn't even set up yet. So
Oh,
set up real quick.
damn.
No, I don't want to join no fucking fun.
Look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Give me like 2 seconds, basically. Connect this stuff thing and then.
Shush. This is crazy, bro.
What do people think when they drive by the car? They're like, what the
No, yeah, that's what I've always wondered too. Like, what do people think? They see all these.
If I saw that, I'd be like, oh, he's filming some sort of promo, you know?
Yeah, that's true. You're the owner of Kick.
I'm the owner of Kick, apparently.
Owner. Those wheels are sick. Look at that. Let's see if you guys can hear the start up. Tesla doing? All right, you guys, we made it up here. We're at the top. Look, we're at the top. It's so windy and cold. Bro, it's so cold. Bro, I almost got rear-ended on his stream.
I guess so, yeah, Sunday. He's like, I don't want that smoke.
All right, he's too cold. He's gonna get back in the car. Let's hear this thing. Let's hear it. I'm sorry if you guys hear wind. Mine are gonna get chapped. We are taking the SVJ where no other SVJ has been. We're off-roading an SVJ right now. Well, Chris is. I know.
Oh, right there, yeah.
I have to walk backwards because it's windy. I don't want you guys to hear pure wind. Alright, you guys, we're in a much less windier spot, so we're gonna get some flybys now. My boy Zane is cooking. He's cooking.
Man, I got like 3 different
Cooking. Parked up right here now. About to get a sick ass flyby right now. Bro, that plane is a paid actor. Bro, that should pop right here. Boom.
Dude, I wasn't recording.
No, you're lying. You're lying. He wasn't recording, bro. Bro, look at that right there, bro. That just looks so clean right there. Hey, he's crazy. You're doing a freaking U-turn right there? Yes, sir. Oh my god. Bro, alright. We gotta get to that. Now we gotta set up for back shots. Hey yo, hey yo. Alright, you guys, Zane is setting up to get rear shots of the SVJ. Earlier he was driving in front of it, and now he will be driving behind it. So yeah. Let's get this. Chris is up there. He's gonna do a U-turn right now, and we will get back on the road. There you go. Yes, sir. Let's go. Bro, that was crazy.
Bro, I've never seen that warning come on, and it's like huge right here, and it flashes red.
Yeah.
Clutch overheat. I'm like, bro, I blew my car out. I literally got my car back today, and I
And you blew it
up.
right away. No, that would have been
What I did,
so...
bro, is I held my car and it fell back.
Hell yeah. Oh, shit. Well, guys, we're here stuck in a pickle. Saint's camera is tweaking out.
What are we gonna do?
Oh, it's not doing it anymore.
Just put the Ozzy Osmo on there, bro. Right here.
Can you?
Yeah, if we have to. We can. If we have to, we can do that.
Oh, there it goes. Oh, never
Oh, he's
mind.
doing some shit, bro.
Transformer mode right there. All right, Zane finally figured out the camera situation. He's getting his shots now. Yeah, good to go? Let's go. Let's do this. Back to, I think In-N-Out. Where are we going, guys? In-N-Out? All right, back to In-N-Out. That was like a 30-minute drive. Need a stretch. What? Look at this. Bro, that's a commercial right there.
When I speed up right here.
Look at this, guys. Bro, it's just... That looks like a Lambo commercial right there. This thing is sick, bro. Upgraded exhaust, but stock tuning, bro. He hasn't got it tuned yet. Just wait for it. It's gonna shoot bigger flames, like right here. All right, guys, we just pulled up to another location. New location. Look at this. Sheesh. And it's not windy here like it was up there. All right, you guys, we are here in the infamous LARP tunnel. Look at this. Sheesh. This tunnel's a lot bigger in person than I thought. How much do we individually split this? This thing is sick, bro. Oh my god. Just idling through the tunnel sounds sick. All right, we are finally splitting off. This was the final location of the night. Had a little nice LARP session with Chris and my boy Zane. Got the fire shots. If you ever want some professional shots, hit them up, bro. That's good. My boy Zane. Later, bro.
See ya.
Later, bro.
Peace out.
Later. Check out his page, bro. Sick. Oh my god. You got poop out out of nowhere. Oh. Bro, it's too stunned to speak.
Funny enough, that's the third SPJ I've touched today.
For real?
Yeah, I'm not even surprised.
Damn, damn. Bro, you gotta love the sound of that V12.